Hey guys, today we're going to be doing Toge from Jujutsu Kaisen, the newest white-haired anime boy on the scene. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I used a pore filling primer, and then I'm putting on a layer of foundation, and I'm covering up my makeup stained eye bags with this concealer. The whole point of this makeup look is to completely just blank out your face so you could put the eye bags back on later. This lighter concealer is mostly to highlight a little bit and then also to give you a base for your eyeshadow. For contour, go ahead, just do a little bit at the backs of the cheeks, and then he has such a little tiny skinny nose. So we're going to go down the sides of the nose, into the eyebrows a little bit, and then a little bit on the lower shelf of your nose. And always contour your jaw. Always a good idea. Now, while you're blending your contour, the whole point is to not get onto the bridge of your nose. You are blending down your nose because you want that top of your nose to be nice and bright, so it's all that people see and it makes it look thin and snatched. And his nose is so thin, I actually decided to put contour on the little fleshy nostril parts to make my nose just look impossibly thin. For brows, he is a white-haired anime boy. I'm going to be doing gray, so I put a white gel pen into my eyebrows first to block them out a little bit, and then I'm putting gray eyeshadow into them. For eyeshadow today, we're staying very cool toned. I'm going in with almost a skin tone cool brown, and then we're going to go in with a darker cool brown. It looks a little gray, but honestly, it works for him. Don't forget your highlight, y'all. We're also taking the same color and going underneath the eye. For eyeliner, we're just doing a very, very tiny triangle that doesn't even make it to the middle of your eye. And then we're going to do something really weird because his eyes are very flat. They're almost rectangular. So I'm making a triangle on the inner portion of my eye. It's literally, there is a line at the 2/3 point, and I make it into a triangle that goes towards the inner corner. This ended up working really, really well to make his eyes make my eyes look very flat. I'm also putting white in the waterline to give him more of an anime look. And this look would not work without mascara and little baby lashes. They're nothing special, but they do add a little bit more definition. A little bit of nude gloss, and I'm using black body paint for his special mouth markings. I'm using a nice flat detail brush for this part, and then for the circle, I'm taking a, just more of a normal rounded paintbrush for that. Thank you guys so much for watching my Toge makeup tutorial. He's one of the newest white-haired anime boys on the market, and oh boy is he a wonderful one. And I also thought it would be really nice to have another character that would be safe for cons when you go back. He's got the total face covering until you unzip and you reveal. If you guys like this and you want me to try more Jujutsu characters or anything of the sort, more white-haired anime boys, please give me a like, comment to let me know, maybe even subscribe to see if I ever do it. I do post every Friday that I can, either con or makeup related materials. And I hope you guys have a really nice day, night, weekend, whatever you may be going through right now. Bye.